Well, what's up, you guys? Gonna help you with level 4, identify decimals with models, and then I'm gonna do level 5 on the same video. If you're on level 5, you might want to skip ahead a little bit. Okay, you are used to showing things that are less than 1 with fractions, right? So if you take a look here, you have one piece colored, and there's 10 total pieces, 1/10. Okay, so now you're gonna learn how to show things that are less than 1 with decimals. Okay, decimals separate whole things from less than whole things. So you've seen this with money. So think about the amount of money of $5.20. This is a decimal here, right? You type it with just a period. It separates the whole dollars from the less than whole dollars. Okay, so you're going to see shapes that are less than 1 on level 4, right? So if I think about this number here, I have 0 ones here, and then this little dot here is to show you that's where your decimal goes. So that separates the whole things, the whole ones, from the tenths. Okay, we're only going to talk about tenths today. There is 2/10 there, 1, 2. So I would type this answer 0.2, or you could just type 0.2. Okay? Or if you really wanted, you could do 0.20. Okay, but anyway, so 0 ones, there's a decimal to separate less than 1. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Okay, so you could type that 0.4 or 0.4 or 4 or 0.40. Okay, there is 0 ones here. Got a decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0.5 or 0.5. Okay, so now I'll just do a couple examples. This looks almost exactly like what you have to do. So you just count up your pieces. So I have 1/10 here. So you're going to type that with the period to show that it's less than 1, and then just 1. Okay, over here, these blue guys, this is less than a whole thing, right? So you have your decimal point, and then there's 2 of them. So just 0.2, period 2. Okay, the yellow guys, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's just 0.5. Okay, and my green ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's just 0.8. Not too bad, right? Okay, this is what level 3 looks like. It looks a lot like level 2, but now you just have to only worry about the decimal. You don't have to worry about the fraction now. Okay, so just remember you type your point with the period, your decimal point with the period, and then just count the numbers and then type whatever it is in there. Okay, good luck. Okay, I'm going to go into level 5, identify whole numbers and decimals using a model. So this is real similar to the last level, but now you're going to have whole things as well. So just like you did with mixed numbers, now you're going to have to do the same thing with decimal points. Okay, there is one whole green thing here, so that goes in my 1 column. Okay, my decimal point separates my less than whole things, and then I just have 1 and 2. So this would be 1.2. Okay, I have one whole thing, and looks like I forgot to change this. And looks like I have 3/10, so you're going to type 1.3. Okay, looks like there's one whole thing and another whole thing, so I have 2. And then I separate my less than the whole things with the decimal point. And then there's 3 colored here, so 2.3. Okay, looks like I have 1, 2, 3 whole things. And then one that's less than a whole thing. So I type my period for my decimal point and then just count them up. 1, 2, 3. 3.3. Okay, this is what level 5 looks like. This is a whole thing, and then you'll type the decimal point, and then you'll count this for your tenths. So same thing here, whole thing, less than whole thing. Okay, and remember, don't worry about the fractions, only the decimal. Okay, the last couple questions look like this. These obviously represent whole things, and then here's your tenths, whole things, and tenths. All right, good luck to you guys.